The Canon error code P01 typically indicates that one of the ink cartridges needs to be replaced. This error message is often caused by low ink levels, print quality issues, or ink drying out. To resolve the issue, start by checking the ink levels and the printer's properties. If necessary, purchase a new ink cartridge that is compatible with the Canon printer model and install it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next, print a sample work to assess the print quality. If it appears faded, try running a printer cleaning cycle through the maintenance settings. If the print quality does not improve after cleaning, replace the ink cartridge with a new one. Additionally, perform a nozzle check and print head alignment test to identify any clogged nozzles, and run a cleaning cycle to unclog them. If the problem persists, replacing the ink cartridge with a new one should resolve the issue.